Hey guys, check this Bluetooth speaker out. Built using the premium zinc alloy with one and only perfect large passive radiator, a complete futuristic design, fitted with LED lights which look great in the dark, sound great too. What's up everybody, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are looking into a crazy and a cool Bluetooth speaker by Gravastar Mars. Come with the outstanding and out of the world design with the fantastic features. Starting with the ultimate sound quality, Bluetooth version 5.0, 20 hours of battery time, built-in MB light, futuristic kind of a look, true wireless stereo support, shock absorption, structure, and a zinc alloy body with total audio output power of 20 watts and a battery capacity of 2500 milliampere hours 4 times. Well, to start with, first we're going to check out what comes with this Bluetooth speaker, following with the demonstration as well as the performance, which will give you an idea how's the sound quality and the build around this Bluetooth speaker. So by the end of this video you will have an idea that is this futuristic Bluetooth speaker for you or not over this Christmas. Let's not waste too much of time and straight away jump into the unboxing. You get one user manual explaining each and everything about this Bluetooth speaker and how to use 3.5mm 1 meter long auxiliary cable for non-Bluetooth supporting devices and a right angle USB-C type charging cable. Now in last but not least we have our Gravastar Mars Bluetooth speaker, where I'm sure we can tell from the looks and build quality point of view it is fantastic and a kind of a futuristic design as well. Looks like something is coming from Star Wars or whatever science fiction you are into nowadays. Now in the front of the speaker you have a line driver which delivers 20 watt of output and a passive radiators on the back as well, which will give you fantastic bass output. The body around the Bluetooth speaker is made of zinc alloy and it looks solid as well, to be honest with you. Got some weight in there for sure. This Mars model is available in multiple designs as well as in colors. I will leave a link for that in the video description so you can check them out. The one which we are reviewing in this video is the basic gray version. A Bluetooth speaker being having a futuristic design, even the volume control is got a scroller in there which is total touch control as well. You can actually see how much volume you have put in with the LED lights up around it. And right on the top of volume scroller you have 3 buttons, starting with the controlling the lights, power on and off, and a Bluetooth pairing button. True wireless stereo option is also available as well. I do not have a model to prove that. Now under the base you have a 3.5mm auxiliary port input as well as a USB-C port for charging. Well, let's not forget about the shock absorbing feeds as well, which are at the moment closed. You can just open them up. So in the front of the speaker you also have some LED lights which you can turn on and off if you want to by press of one button, and also some status indicator light on side to side when you're charging. Now on turning on the power of this Bluetooth speaker, you're going to hear an audible sound and all LEDs will lit up around it as well. On one of his side you have a Bluetooth status indicator light and on the side remaining battery power. All the feeds of the speaker will be lighting up with the green light along with the front mesh as well. You can turn it all off by press of one button of the LED light button. It is also very easy to pair Bluetooth speaker with your mobile phone by just going into the Bluetooth settings of it and make sure your Bluetooth speaker is in a pairing mode as well. Within available devices you should be able to locate Gravastar, click on that one and click on pair button after.
Bluetooth connected.
Again, once it's successfully paired with your mobile phone, you're going to hear an audible notification. Volume control, which is on the slider, will only work when you have got a music playing on your Bluetooth speaker. Otherwise, you will be on a fixed default volume range, which can be simply controlled by going up and down on the scroller. Now it's time to go ahead with the performance test, where I will be playing some royalty free music from YouTube, which will give you an idea that how is the sound quality and loud it is. For this particular test, I would highly recommend every one of you to use earphones if possible. Well, here we are in the end of this video, and I try to show each and everything a user should know about this Bluetooth speaker, which includes showing around the speaker and the performance of it. I hope you got an idea that what you're going to expect from it. Now, if you would like to hear out from my side as well, let me tell you clearly, guys. The build quality is fantastic, no doubt whatsoever. There's no cutting of the corners at all, anywhere at all. Everything is in premium quality, and the sound output is fantastic for the 20-watt Bluetooth speaker. I have to admit it. Output of bass and instrumentals is fantastic, to be honest with you. Right on the pace. And now the final question you wanted to know the answer of, that will I recommend this product? Hell yes, to be honest with you guys. The reason is very simple. It is a kind of a futuristic design, sound quality is fantastic, premium build quality as well. Yes, I know it comes with a hefty price tag, but kind of think like that, guys. This is kind of a novelty product as well. If your friend or a family member who is more into the science fiction or futuristic kind of a design products, it will be a very surprising and a fantastic gift for them for sure. You can pair two of them together and connect with your computer as well while you're playing games. It's going to look great even in the bright daylight of it, within your room, or when it's in the dark as well. Now that will be completely all from my side, guys. Thank you again for watching this video. If you still have any more questions, please let me know in the comment section down below.